Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on people who share your interests on your email's notification settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click notifications and now click by email, and here you will find it, people who share your interests. Just click on it and it will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.